Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Larissa and you're watching my YouTube channel, Parker Kate. Now today is day 3 of Vlogmas and I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my skin ready for the holiday season. Now I've got my robe on and my little pink fluffy head, and I get my skin prepped for the holiday season by doing something called dermaplaning. Dermaplaning is just a fancy way of saying you're shaving the peach fuzz off of your face and any kind of dead skin cells. Now, disclaimer, do not shave your face. I'm in no way suggesting that you at home should be shaving your face, that you should be trying this because you saw some girl on YouTube try it. I am not a professional esthetician. So if you want to get this done, please go visit a professional esthetician or a day spa or a dermatologist to get your face shaved. If you guys want to see how I shave my face, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back. So just a couple notes. The first thing I've done is gone ahead and removed my makeup, and then I'm going to be going in with an astringent just to remove any excess oils on my skin. To shave the peach fuzz off of my face, I'm going in with this single blade razor right here, and I'm going to be pulling my skin taut and gently at a 45-degree angle, doing little tiny motions down the areas of my face where I want to get rid of skin like peach fuzz and exfoliate. Now, a lot of questions people ask about dermaplaning is if your hair or your peach fuzz is going to grow back thicker, longer, or darker, and the answer is no, it will not. I have not noticed that on my face at all. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I've got some cotton pads here and some astringent. A lot of people use witch hazel. I don't have any at the moment, so I am just going to go in with a quick toner and remove any excess oils from my face. Now you want to make sure that you have not moisturized at all. Well, not you, because remember, you're not doing this, you're watching me do this. You're in no shape or form going to do this by yourself. And then I'm just going to let this dry because I'm not going to be shaving my face on damp or moist skin. Oh, I said the word moist. Okay, now that my face is dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in at a 45-degree angle and do little tiny tick 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 motions with my single edge blade. So I'm going to start up here. I'm just ever so softly going to do this. And then again, you want to make sure I want to make sure that I'm pulling my skin taut and flat, and I'm just going to continue doing that down like so. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a good amount of peach fuzz on that. It kind of looks like peach fuzz is basically what it is. And that is peach fuzz. That is not from the cotton pad. It looks like it's from the cotton pad, but that is peach fuzz. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dermaplane the rest of my face, add some music, and I'll show you guys what I apply after. I'll be right back. Okay, so my face feels really super soft. I went in and washed my face off after I finished dermaplaning the rest of it. So getting rid of the peach fuzz, it's so smooth. So I went ahead and I washed my face as usual to get rid of any excess dead hairs or skin cells that may have been left on there. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to treat my skin with a couple serums. So the first serum I'm going to go in with is by The Ordinary. This is called the Buffet, and this is a multi-technology peptide serum. Apply a couple of this into my hands. And what you want to do is warm it up in your hands. And then you're going to want to take the product and press it onto your skin and your neck. So I press this into my face. And I do this for a couple minutes just until it's almost gone. And basically what the Buffet does is it basically is full of omega fatty acids and peptides to basically feed your skin and make it feel really nourished and hydrated. Now my skin's a little bit tacky. I'm going to go in with you can use a second serum if you want, but I'm going to go in with an oil. And I'm going to be using the cold pressed virgin marilla oil from The Ordinary. Now, you can also use this oil on your hair if it's damp, and you can use it on your scalp if you have eczema. I'm going to take this oil and place it all over my face. Now because this is a quick drying oil, usually 1 to 2 drops can do your whole entire face, but because I'm doing this as a night routine and I just kind of exfoliated my face and got rid of all the peach fuzz, I'm going to be applying a lot more to my face, so it's going to take a lot longer for it to absorb into my skin, which is why my skin is going to be shinier. So usually 1 to 2 drops should suffice, but I'm putting in a whole bunch. And I'm going to warm that up on my hands. And then again, I'm going to press this onto my face. I just want to make sure that I'm getting my skin really hydrated. So if this was daytime, I would have done 1 to 2 drops of this oil and it would have been absorbed into my face. But because I have probably 10 to 12 drops, which is a little bit excessive, but like I said, I want to make sure I get all that nutrients into my skin and all that hydration, especially because I just exfoliated it. So I'm gonna press this into my face and then do a little bit of a massage. So I'm going to leave this on probably for about 20 to 30 minutes and it should be absorbed into my skin. My skin will be a little bit shiny again because we have excess oil on our face and hands. And then I go to sleep, and then in the morning what I do is I go in with a jade roller, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. I have to rub all this oil. I have to wash this oil off of my hands and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I'm back and my skin is nice and glowy. It's been about 25 minutes that I've had the oil seeping onto my skin. Now I will leave it on there until morning. So a good tip is if you're going to do this at night with the facial oil is put a towel over your pillow. That way it doesn't ruin your pillowcase or your pillow. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm going to have a very nice, naturally glowy, smooth face. It might be a little bit puffy, and if you deal with morning puffiness, don't worry, I've got you. We're actually going to go and I'm going to introduce you to this rose quartz tool, and this is called a Gua Sha. Basically what Gua Sha is a tool that is designed to remove the puffiness or the lymphatic, or help the lymphatic tissue or the lymphatic fluids in your face drain. So this Gua Sha has a nice little heart shape. So the top of the Gua Sha is to use to drain the jawline and down into the neck. So I'm going to take it. Mine is rose quartz. They come in different kinds. You can get one in jade as well. Rose quartz has properties of healing, skin brightening, reducing dark circles, wrinkles. So they claim. I'm not sure how brightening it is, but I actually leave mine in the fridge along with my jade roller, which is actually rose quartz. So it's a rose quartz roller, same as this, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So in the morning when I wake up, I take my Gua Sha out of the fridge and I start by doing the lymphatic drainage along my jawline. I'm not doing it on my face right now because obviously I have oil. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to go and I'm going to start putting it downward. And then same thing for this. I'm going to be pulling it downward. And I'm taking the heart part of it and I'm fitting it into my jawline. And I'm just kind of removing that and helping the drainage of the lymphatic fluid from my face so I'm not so puffy. Then you can flip it up to the bottom part of the heart. And what you can do is you can go in into the inner corner of the eye and again push down like so. The reason why I'm pushing down is because you want the fluids to drain down. Then, if you want to get bigger areas of your face, that is what this little contour of the heart is for. So what you do is it'll help just do bigger areas. That's what I use my little rose quartz Gua Sha for. Again, you can leave it into the fridge to help it. Then I go in with the jade roller, or my rose quartz roller, which is this guy right here, and I keep it in the fridge as well, and it basically does the same thing as the Gua Sha, except it's not as precise. So in mornings when I'm in a rush, I'll just use this guy. If I have more time, I'll give my face a massage with the Gua Shas. So what you do is this same thing. You do an upward motions. You can do it along your eyes, deep puff, down the sides of your face, up and down your neck. Well, not down your neck, but you want to make sure you're going down. It feels really nice, especially when you put it in the fridge because it's nice and cold, which helps depuff, and then the pressure from the rolling helps distribute the fluid, or the lymphatic fluid. It also claims to brighten and reduce dark circles and wrinkles, but I really don't know how good those claims are. Anyways, this little Gua Sha and rose roller came in a kit from Winners. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. This is how I get ready for the holidays and how I prep my skin so it looks really glowy, really youthful, really ready to take on the stress of the holidays. So guys, I hope you enjoyed day 3 of Vlogmas, and if you have any questions about skincare, if you have any requests for any makeup reviews, any videos, please don't forget to leave them down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get to them. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and you won't miss any videos. And guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.